Hello everyone, I'm your host Jonathan, and on today's episode of Campaign Connection, we are talking about all of the newness hitting the Organist collection. Now, I know you guys are diehard fans, so am I, but let me tell you, it just got a whole lot better. Now, if I have some of my fans watching this video, I want you guys to comment below what your favorite product is, with any line, and tell me why you love it. And by now you've heard about our apple cider vinegar collection, of our rosemary mint collection. Well, adding into the mix here, we have our rice water collection here. Now, this is going to truly diversify our hair care game. Now, the Organist Rice Water Repair Collection features 5 beautiful products. Let me show you them now. We have, up first, we have the Damage Care Shampoo and the Damage Care Treatment. Marvelous. Now, we also have the Moisture Replenish Hair Mist. Beautiful. And it wouldn't be an Organist collection if we didn't feature something for the body. We have the Nourishing Body Wash, and we have the Nourishing Body Milk. Beautiful duo here, rounding out the 5 product collection in rice water. Now, just when you thought it couldn't get any better, it features rice water, which is such a powerhouse ingredient for a lot of things. And in the realm of hair care, it's been making waves for a while, and it's just so beautiful. And fun fact about rice water, it's been in the traditions of Asian cultures for centuries as their best kept beauty secret, and now it's at the tip of our fingers, maybe at the tips of our hairs, who knows. But now that we know what we're working with, let's get right into it. The first 2 that I want to talk about is the Damage Care Shampoo and the treatment here. Now, this duo for the hair is marvelous. It's going to help, of course, cleanse and nourish, but it's going to use that with beautiful ingredients that just scream beautifully at my hair. We have biotin, we have ceramides, we have protein, we have 17 different amino acids, rice extract, of course, we have our rice protein, of course, we have hyaluronic acid and collagen. Now, that's just to name a few. My hair is dying for these ingredients because this entire collection is all about repairing dry or damaged hair. Whether you did it yourself with styling tools or you just woke up like that, sometimes it happens, but hey, we have something to answer that, right? So, beautiful duo of a collection here. Now, I want to talk about this really quick, the treatment, because many of you guys are probably wondering, well, we got the shampoo, where's the conditioner? This is the conditioner, but it's a treatment, and the reason why we said it's a treatment is because it's a very beautifully intense conditioner that's going to help hydrate and nourish the hair. To use this, you're going to use this the same as any conditioner. You're going to leave on for a few minutes after shampooing, and then you're going to rinse out the hair, and then you're going to enjoy it. The scent to this is marvelous. First of all, let me just relive this for a second. I don't know how to describe it. You're just going to have to trust me and experience it for yourself because you're going to want your hair to smell like this. The next thing that we have on our list here is the Moisture Replenish Hair Mist. Now, as you can see, I left it sitting for a second so you can really see the duo phase here featured in the bottle for the formula. Now, this here is going to help hydrate, replenish, and soften your hair on the go, giving your hair that healthy glow when you need it, when you want it. It's a wonderful scent. Let me show you how you use it. When it gets like this, you're just going to shake it up. Allow those ingredients to mingle and mix. Beautiful. You're going to open the lid, and then you're going to spray the hair and watch the magic, okay? So, when am I using this product? Some people use it right after the shower. You can do that. I use this even right after styling just to give my hair that nice, beautiful glow when I want it. And it's healthy looking. I love the way it looks because my products for styling make my hair a little bit more matte. And this just gives the hair that healthy glow that it needs and that I want. Look at that. Beautiful. So absolutely love that. I hope you add that into your collection. Now again, it wouldn't be Organist if it didn't add some stuff for the body because rice water is also not only beautiful for the hair, but wonderful for the skin, pulling in all those beautiful secrets. Now, this again is truly a marvelous powerhouse when it comes to nourishing the skin. These 2 collections right here, the body wash and the body milk, perfect for dry skin, but can you use it if you don't have dry skin? Of course you can. My skin during the colder months of the year tend to get very dry. It just happens. It changes seasonally. it does that. Now I have an answer for it. Now this collection again is wonderful. You have the body wash that's going to cleanse but also nourish. I always find that especially after cleansing your body, it's natural that your body tends to get a little dry because it does when you're cleansing, it does strip your skin of the things that needs to moisturize. Now you're adding that back in with the body wash, but also the body milk. Now, I always get a lot of questions about what's the difference between a body milk, a body lotion, and a body cream. Uh, I will tell you the main difference here is just the texture and preference. So right up at the top, we have our body creams. These typically come in jars, and the formula won't move when you shake it. It's a little thicker consistency. Then you have the body lotion, which usually comes in like bottles or tubes, and that is of a less thicker consistency. And then right under that, you have the body milk. This is for those who want that silky, smooth, lightweight texture. Let me show you. I'm done talking about it. So this, you're going to see right when I turn it, it's going to start to run. Very silky. Look at that. Now, this is going to be absolutely nourishing for dry skin right after that shower. If you're like me and sometimes right after the shower, your skin tends to feel a little bit tight and dry, goodbye, gone are those days because you have that nice body milk that just rehydrates and nourishes, especially people with dry skin, or if season comes and it's a little bit colder and you want that extra nourishment. Now you got something to answer that. So you have those beautiful two products to add into the entire 5-product collection there. Now, with that, I know you guys are probably dying to get your hands on this. Get it while it's still here. Get it while it's hot. I dropped the links to shop for them in the description below. And I'm running to get more of this because I absolutely love this. Now, on to some updates for you, one of which just dropped today. This is the Organist Rice Water Challenge Incentive. Now, it's literally a win-win. This incentive is for all ambassadors, and everyone has a hand in this. It's around our new Organist Rice Water collection. It can't get any easier than that. Now, for more information, go to the Incentives Hub to learn more about how you can really maximize and take advantage of this new product launch and the incentive. We also have our Go Far Costa Rica. I want to put that into your radar as well. For more details on how you can learn to earn a trip to Costa Rica, visit the Incentives Hub on avon.com or avon.ca to learn more and to stay on top of it. Now, I have one more thing for you. Now, if you guys have a minute of your time, we have a survey in the buzz right now to share your thoughts on Camping Connections. And this is really aimed to help us make this a better experience for you in 2025. Now, with that, that's all I have. Thank you so much for joining in on all the fun. And lastly, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. I'll catch you next time. Bye, everyone.